Let's connect with the management of Ludlow Jute. There's been a hike in MSP by about 300 rather rupees per quintal for 2017 to 18. We have Mr. Ajay Todi, Managing Director of the company, with us. And tell us, what this hike would mean for a jute company like yours?
Is that Tanvir?
This is Avan, Mr. Todi.
Yeah, Avan. The increase in minimum support price for the farmers is definitely good in terms of the fact that it will prompt more farmers to plant jute. It would perhaps, also help the farmer to employ better farming methods. The impact, of course, in terms of costs, the market of jute as it is prevailing today is already higher than the minimum support price. What you find is that while in case of the sugar industry, which is always crying about the minimum support price, and there are huge dues to the farmers, the jute industry has actually been prompt in terms of fulfilling its commitments towards the farmers. So there is no direct increase in terms of a direct cost increase. It remains the way it is, except that in the long term you would not see a rapid drop in prices. So that is actually, in the short term, it helps the market to remain stable. And the sowing season is about in March. It starts in around about now. It is the time when it's going to get over. So it kind of encourages the farmer to put in an extra effort to see that there is better production.
Mr. Todi, what percentage increase did you foresee in the raw material cost for FY18 on the back of this MSP hike?
Actually, the last year we saw record high prices of jute because the crop wasn't good. So in terms of increase in raw material prices, the jute industry is actually looking at a lower raw material cost, in this year. We believe that if given that, the MSP has actually been increased, and if the weather conditions are good, we would actually have a lower overall cost for jute. And the benefit that comes out to the government when it buys jute sacks, in fact, the government is heavily saving in terms of what they are paying for the jute sacks. So the government is the biggest beneficiary in terms of the reduction in jute prices, the market prices of jute. So this is actually a proactive kind of a decision that has happened. And it will actually help in terms of the growth of the industry in the long run and in terms of the farmers' well-being. At the same time, I would like to add that while the MSP is being increased, I believe that there is a strong case for looking at developing higher yield seeds, because if the farmer will benefit if his yield goes up per hectare. And if he can benefit by getting, say, a 50% growth in terms of more yield, the MSP actually can come down in the future. So that is a model that the government needs to look at in terms of how we can get high-yielding varieties of seeds, in terms of better farming methods.
Mr. Todi, if I can just come in here, you said that things will get better. So give us a better idea. How does this hike and the subsequent increase in raw material costs impact your bottom line?
No, as I said, that the price of jute has actually come down because of the better availability of jute. So because of the increase in jute production in the last season, the harvesting happens normally in August, September. So last August, September, which was September 2016, because of higher production of jute, the availability of jute improves. And when the availability of jute improves, the prices of jute in the market actually go down. In FY16, that was, say, the year ended March last year, we actually saw prices of jute which went up to they touched about, we saw about 5,500 levels. 5,500 rupee levels, and whereas because of the better yield last year, we saw prices come down to about 4,000 and 3,500 levels. So if you see that when the MSP is at a decent level and weather conditions are good, the farmer is willing to produce more of jute. So it's a win-win situation for the industry, and it is better for the government also. because the government has to buy jute based on obviously a cost plus model, and the price of jute, when it goes up, the government has to pay more.